I know you've heard a lot of me already, and I hope that you don't mind if I do one more song for you. Will will be joining me. And so if everybody just wants to either grab a seat or get comfortable, get some snacks, whatnot. And we have about, how many performers?
14, 15.
About 14, 15 performers, so this will be going on, and then, yeah. All right. So we're going to be doing I Won't Give Up by Jason Mraz. And Will be playing guitar. Just kidding, I'm playing guitar. Will's playing piano. And we'll both be singing. Okay. Is my guitar on? Yeah, for good? I don't think it's on. Is it on? There you go. Can you hear it? Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
I think this is.
We thought we'd go first so we could make sure there were no technical difficulties for everybody else. Okay. Good?
Yeah, we're good.
All right.